This video we're going to talk about AMC Theaters. It's skyrocketing to the moon. It's making absolutely no sense why it would. This video is totally educational and is not advice. Do your own due diligence and of course smash that like button and hit the subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. AMC Theaters has skyrocketed in the last 2 days. In particular today, the price of the stock doubled in price overall. It is just ridiculous what is happening, and it's all just after Memorial Day weekend. Everybody went out, got out like we used to in the old days, a year ago or so, actually a year and a couple months ago, and now we're seeing people get out, and theaters and seeing movies is a big thing on people's list of to-dos, and AMC benefited this past Memorial Day weekend. But does it warrant the stock price movement that we're seeing today? I don't think so. There was $230 million worth of stock sold just recently, and typically that would be an indication of the stock going down, but it wasn't. Instead, the stock doubled in price today for no reason. I mean, you cannot think that this stock went up on fundamentals today. I mean, I don't think they sold that many theater tickets. So I'm looking at this as an opportunity to possibly take a short position or buy puts on this stock to benefit on its way down. So here's something I'm taking a look at right now. I'm looking at the premium versus discount that people are willing to pay for the stock options to protect their position or to capitalize on the stock going down. And right now they're willing to pay 85% premium for protection. So using options and put contracts in this case, 85%. Now that's a 59% jump in implied volatility today alone here on the 2nd of June. 59% jump. And my question is this just a episodic moment, a one-time event where you get excitement and the stock busts up higher, doubling in price, which makes no sense at all unless somebody knows something, like somebody's going out and buying them, like Amazon buying MGM or something of that sort. But it wouldn't warrant the stock price doubling in value at this point. So I'm watching that at an 85% premium. What that tells me is that people are freaked out that this stock is going to tank tomorrow or sometime in the near future, and they're willing to pay 85% over and above what you historically would pay on a put contract for AMC Theaters, which tells me they're wrong. Historically, you go the contrarian route. So if there's a premium on protection, it means the stock most likely will go higher, and historically has gone higher. Not just AMC Theaters, but in general. When you see premium on put protection of that size. But we have to take into account that the premium jumped 59% just today alone. So this could be a one-off event. What I'm looking for is complacency. I want to see where people are like, yeah, it makes total sense that this stock is going to keep going higher. And you see a discount on protection forming. And that is when I'm looking to take a short position or buy puts on AMC Theater. Now, I couple that with the price action. Today, I want to see, today it closed higher. It had higher lows. And of course it had higher highs compared to the day before and the day before that. But tomorrow I'm curious to see, will we see higher highs and higher lows, or will we see lower lows and lower highs? And that's the starting potentially of the stock coming back down to earth from the moon where it ended up at today. The other side of it is I'm looking at volume. Is the volume that happened today bigger than yesterday? Is it going to be continuation of this higher, more volume tomorrow driving the stock up? So when I'm looking at that volume, I want to see commitment from institutions. I want to see big money coming in and buying the stock and pushing it higher, which means more volume versus the day before. If I'm not seeing that comparison tonight when I look at the volume charts, I'm going to probably assume this is just a one-day event and this thing is going to come back down to earth. So I'm looking at that, and of course I'm looking at price action. What is tomorrow's price action look like in comparison to yesterday and the day before? So volatility of volatility, I'm looking at price action, and I'm looking at volume action. What will they look like, and looking for a confirmation on my idea to short this stock in the next couple of days. Let me know what you think in the comments. Of course, always please smash that like button, and I would most importantly, summertime, be careful, be safe, but most importantly, live loud. Peace.